Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing ContentForge, another copywriting AI tool that creates content for anything with more than 20 powerful tools. They have 34 positive reviews on AppSumo and it costs $49, so it's not expensive, and they have characters limits, which is good because those kind of tool need to be sustainable, otherwise you're gonna lose your money. You can stack up to 5 codes to have more words per month. So stacking 5 codes to have up to 2k characters per month. And I'm gonna show you the tool. Here's the dashboard, and the first thing you need to do is to select your audience, so the AI will write regarding your audience. I'm gonna write here marketers, my project name marketing, and then when you create the project, you define your tone. I want a creative tone, and then your default language. You can see those languages here. They have Portuguese, Russian, Swedish, Japanese, French, Danish. They have Danish, Bulgarian, German, Greek, Spanish. So many language inputs, and you define the language output. The difference here, language input, you're gonna write, for instance, in English or in Spanish. Language output, you're gonna write, you're gonna receive the output, the writing outcome in Spanish or in Greek or in German. Now we want English, so I write in English and I receive in English. You can write in English and receive in Spanish, for instance. So I'm gonna create that project. So here I created the project, and you have two kind of features here. Tools to boost your productivity, that is the short form content, and the long form content. Let's start with the short content. Here are the templates they have: SEO meta title, SEO meta description, sentence rewriter, sentence expander, blog post outline, blog post title. Let's start with blog post title. My blog post is about how AppSumo is ending operations. Its operations. Creative markets. Here you can change the number of outputs, so how many results you're gonna have. So here 3, we're gonna have 3 results. It's generating. Here's are the title: AppSumo goes full-time on travel hacking, how AppSumo became a unicorn. So that's a good title. AppSumo's next leap forward. Cool results. Let's try now SEO meta description, how AppSumo became a unicorn. How AppSumo is the better startup in the US. 3 outputs. Here are the meta descriptions. You learn about AppSumo in this article. How AppSumo became one of the best startups in the US and even went to be a unicorn company. It's a good meta description. Let's see a blog post outline about how AppSumo became a unicorn. I wrote a description, and now let's check it out. So here they wrote my outline. Oh, they even found Noah here. Why did Ruslan and Noah start AppSumo? How Ruslan built his initial list of customers, appsumo.com, etc. So you got here several outlines for your blog posts. Let's check another one. The sentence rewriter. Usually people like that one. Just wrote here something about AppSumo, and let's ContentForge rewrite it. So I had here, AppSumo is just a tool to help people find cool stuff to buy for their business. And they rewrote like that. AppSumo lets you find cool apps, themes, plugins, and other digital copy for your business. This is good. This is a good outcome. AppSumo is the best way to find and buy the latest, hottest, and coolest digital products for your small business. Okay, that's a good outcome as well. Let's check their long form now. Here are my last used tools for the short forms. And now we're going to check the long form. We'll click here to create your first document. Let's create a document with the wizard. So AppSumo audience marketer. I want to be creative and input in English, output in English. Let's go. So I will let the tool generate suggestions for my title. Those are the titles. I'm gonna select 3 reasons why AppSumo has been successful. Continue. I want to generate an intro paragraph. So I have 3 outputs. AppSumo is a place where you can find great software, etc. Let's select that one. Continue. My document is ready. Create. So I have here my title and my first paragraph. And then you can click here to generate more content. So they wrote here, you'll find software that you can get anywhere. And here you can rewrite or expand. Let's rewrite the first sentence here. You can find some of the best software for under 7 at AppSumo, for 50 at AppSumo. Now I'm gonna expand that one. You will find software that you can't get anywhere else. You can find software that you won't find on any other website or store. Okay, and you can here create links, change, the main word features, use bold, italic, underline, okay, highlight, so basic features. So that's the long form content. I'm gonna write a bit more about AppSumo here, so we can have more generating content. I just found that copy here about AppSumo, and I'm gonna ask the tool to write a bit more. AppSumo is the platform for entrepreneurs, etc. We've got all the tools you need to grow and scale, and the tool wrote, AppSumo was created in 2010 by Nolan Kagan and currently has 25 employees. The company is headquartered in Los Angeles, California. It's in Texas. Then you need, when you are using those kind of tool, that use your own human fact checkings, because GPT-3 do not read facts by now, so you need to know what kind of subject you are writing about. Okay, so that's the ContentForge review. I hope you like that too. If you like it, just click on the link below and you can get more information and buy it with the best price. Thank you so much. Bye bye.